Filmmaking has always been a blend of art and technology. From the early days of silent films to the era of CGI, every advancement has reshaped the industry. But today, a new player is rewriting the rules: artificial intelligence. While AI is revolutionizing filmmaking in many ways, it also brings a dark side that threatens creativity, ethics, and even human jobs. Welcome to the unsettling reality of AI in filmmaking. AI is no longer just a tool, it's becoming a creator. It can write scripts, generate digital actors, de-age characters, and even edit entire films without human intervention. Companies like OpenAI, DeepMind, and Runway ML are pushing the boundaries of AI in film production. But is this progress coming at a cost? At first glance, AI-generated performances may seem like an exciting breakthrough. They can bring deceased actors back to the screen, create stunningly realistic de-aging effects, and even generate entire characters from scratch. But this technology raises a troubling question: what happens when AI completely replaces human actors? Filmmaking is an art form rooted in human experience. Directors, writers, and actors pour their emotions and personal stories into their work. But with AI-powered scriptwriting tools like ChatGPT and Sudowrite, studios can now generate full scripts in minutes. While AI can mimic human writing styles, can it truly replace the depth of human storytelling? Many argue that AI lacks the ability to infuse genuine emotion, cultural nuances, and the unpredictability of human creativity. But as studios prioritize efficiency and cost-cutting, will they still value the artist's voice? The rise of AI in filmmaking isn't just about automation, it's also an ethical minefield. Take deepfake technology, for example. Studios can now digitally resurrect long-deceased actors, allowing them to star in new films. While some see this as a tribute, others see it as exploitation. Without strict regulations, AI opens the door to identity theft in filmmaking. Imagine a scenario where an actor's face and voice are used in films without their consent. What legal rights should AI-generated characters have? And who owns their performances: AI developers, studios, or the original artists? For decades, filmmaking has provided jobs for thousands of artists, technicians, and performers. But AI automation threatens to replace many of these roles. Automated editing software like Adobe's AI-powered Premiere Pro, AI-generated soundtracks, and deepfake technology are already reducing the need for human professionals. While some argue that AI will create new job opportunities, others fear it will strip filmmaking of its human touch. When studios prioritize AI-driven efficiency over human craftsmanship, what does that mean for the future of cinema? Beyond Hollywood, AI in filmmaking has another dangerous side: misinformation. Deepfake technology can manipulate videos, altering reality itself. Imagine a world where political figures, celebrities, or historical events are misrepresented through AI-generated footage. The consequences of such manipulation are enormous. With AI's ability to create hyper-realistic fake content, how can audiences differentiate truth from fiction? And should filmmakers bear responsibility for how AI-generated content is used outside of entertainment? Despite its dangers, AI isn't inherently evil. Used responsibly, it can be a powerful tool for filmmakers. AI can enhance visual effects, assist in pre-production planning, and even help democratize filmmaking for independent creators with limited budgets. The key question isn't whether AI should be part of filmmaking, but how we control its influence. Should there be industry-wide regulations on AI-generated content? Should actors and filmmakers have legal protections against AI misuse? Filmmaking is at a crossroads. AI has the potential to revolutionize the industry, but at what cost? As we move forward, we must decide: will AI enhance human creativity or replace it? Will we use AI responsibly, or will it become the ultimate disruptor of the film industry? The future of cinema depends on how we answer these questions.